Kasi yung COVID.
Alright, so let's change it. There. And I forgot the seal.
Hindi yung basta mapuputol, kaya dikit yung gano'n. Saka lang mapuputol yung sa lipid. Pero kung nilalagpas dito niya,
Six, five, four, three, two, one. Ah, I got the seal.
hindi natin yung pangalan niya.